What is a national park? National park is the area which is reserved for the wildlife where they can freely move, and the habitats and their natural resources, so animals, and they can move freely. And biosphere reserve, it is a large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plants and animals their resources, and where they are living. So what is the basic difference between a wildlife sanctuary, a national park and a biosphere reserve? Which of them do you think is bigger? Which of them is smaller? Basically, all three of them, their objective is same. Their objective is to protect and conserve plants and animals. But which place will be called a biosphere reserve? Which place will be called a national park? And what is the basic difference between them? That we will see. Now the first thing here is biosphere reserve. They are describing children are moving in a place. Biosphere reserves are the areas which are, so you can mark it in your book. The biosphere reserves are the areas which are meant for the conservation of biodiversity. So biosphere, bio is living, reserve is the place is kept reserved for protection, and it is kept for protection of biodiversity. As you are aware that biodiversity is the variety of plants, animals and microorganisms which are living in the area. So a biosphere reserve will be a place which helps in the maintaining the biodiversity and culture of that area. Biodiversity means if there is a very big area where a special type of animal, a special type of plant or birds live, and the government takes the step to call it a biosphere reserve. So what will happen? No one will be able to enter that place and touch the plant or the animals. So naturally all of them will be able to live in peace. The biosphere reserve helps to maintain the biodiversity and culture of that area. A biosphere reserve may also contain other protected areas, and a biosphere reserve, it is called reserve because that place is reserved for the animals as well as the plants. Therefore a biosphere reserve helps in maintaining the biological or environmental balance of a particular area. And the reserve consists of national park, and as example they have given example of a national park, Satpura and one wildlife resources which are harnessed from. These are examples. So in the next slide we will see what are the some of the common areas in India where the biosphere reserves are found. You are living in a place in your own city. Have you heard of any national park or a biosphere reserve or a sanctuary?